It is May 3rd. Welcome to our Eden Homestead update. What you're looking at here is our heavy-duty table, which we've built. On that table we have a 65-gallon food-grade barrel with lid, and you could see the hose sticking out there with the white cap on it. That is for airflow in and out of the barrel, and the irrigation line that goes up through the wall there feeds from the other stall. We have it hooked up to a faucet, and we fill this 65-gallon tank. That cut-off piece of tubing sticking out is our overflow and also our air valve, which lets air in and out, which helps to clear the lines. Over here we've done some clear tubing we've hooked up over here where we have our cutoff. And the clear tubing we did so we can see whether or not there's anything in the water. If we have any contaminants or algae forming in there, we'll quickly see it. That goes down into our irrigation line, which, let me show you what we've done down here. We have built along this line 9 cup waterers with the nipple waterer with the cup. And as you can see, it didn't take our hens very long to figure out how to get a drink. Now, we had this in since yesterday, and what I'm noticing, it's worked out very, very well. Our hens didn't miss a beat when it comes to figuring out where now they can get water. So this enabled me to take the waterer out, because we're always going in here and changing it. 2-3 times a day I had poop in the water. So what's great about this is, let me show you. As our hens go in here to feed from these cups, as they peck this, that fills up the water. And so just the pressure from the gravity of the water tank, and it's not too much pressure that would, keep these cups from working properly like they should. And our hens seem to love it. As you can see, look at this. It didn't take long for them to figure it out. So I think we've solved our problem, and I think, with the tank, I think we'll get about 20 to 30 days, I would think at least a month, with 65 gallons of water. And we've got about 23 hens, so, and 2 roosters. But this is our Eden Homestead update for May 3rd.